Hello, everyone. Welcome to December 2025. It is time for a tech tip roundup. In this video, I am going to review the tech tips created for November 2025. November is a shorter month for schools in the United States, so we should be able to examine all of these tips efficiently. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of November 3rd, 2025, the tech tip was focused on preparing for e learning by adjusting features in Google Classroom and Google Meet. These platforms have various settings that can be adjusted to protect the integrity of the virtual classroom. One key idea to be aware of is the fact that the first time a user goes into a Google Meet call, there are multiple settings that must be established. As such, it is important to read all of the menus that appear so all settings that are selected best support our virtual learning environment. For the week of November 10th, 2025, this tech tip focused on how to navigate Power School's gradebook of Power Teacher Pro in order to enter report card grades. There are many settings that appear on the screen in a diminutive fashion, even though they have a major impact on how report cards are generated. When completing any sort of grade reporting, always double check the course, the time of the grading period, and other features that would impact how grades are calculated. For the week of November 17th, 2025, this tip focused on being thankful for technology. Too often, it could seem like technology complicates one's life, but there are many benefits to this digital age. All of the items I listed here are ones that I personally feel thankful for existing. There was no tech tip for the week of November 24th, 2025 due to fall break. As such, that's all for November 2025's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.